Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to talk about resetting the tire pressure warning light on a Toyota or Lexus. Okay, so on this 2015 Lexus NX, you can see I have the tire pressure warning light illuminated. Now, some of the reasons why you might have this illuminated is your tire pressures are too low, or there's a fault within the system. If there is a fault within the system, definitely go to a Toyota or Lexus dealership to have it investigated. These ones do need to be coded in, unlike some of the generic ones you can purchase for other vehicles. To find the correct tire pressure for your Toyota or Lexus, open, in this case, the driver's door, and it'll be on the B pillar. As far as I know, most Toyotas are 2.2 bar or 32 psi. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've checked and pumped all my tires back up to 2.2 bar or 32 psi. So we're going to switch on the ignition and see if the light goes out by itself. And it has. Okay, so you can see there, beneath 260 kilometers an hour, there was the tire pressure light, and the tire pressure light has now gone out. So I don't need to reset the tire pressure monitoring system because I've returned it back to the pressure it recognizes from previous. If you still need to reset it, go to your settings using the buttons on your steering wheel, go to TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system, and hold in the circular button, which I'm going to do here. And you can see it in the bottom right hand corner. It's flashing to recalibrate, and it's done. If your light comes on flashing, let's say while you're driving, and after 20 minutes of driving it remains on, then that means you have a fault in the system. But if you're having any issues whatsoever, I do recommend you go to a Toyota or Lexus dealership to have it investigated. We really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.